This is an example of a typical front clip pickup here at Weber Brothers Auto, what it looks like. So it's sitting loosely on this skid on the pallet. It does not have any exterior protective wrapping on it. So you want to provide your own wrapping if you feel it's necessary. You certainly want to bring your own straps. We do have them here. They're not free. They're usually $7, but with things going up, as of this recording, August of 2023, they're $7 a piece. So it's just loosely sitting on this skid. We do build a frame for each unit, and it's banded with metal straps, but they are not to be trusted for transport. Give you a look inside here. Pretty typical setup. Everyone's a little bit different, but it's always including the rad condenser fans, rad support, inner structure, washer bottle, the tray. The battery box is up here, it's included. Our guys generally don't cut hoses, we don't cut harnesses, so you'll find all that stuff intact. So we do a good job, and we do our absolute best to take care of things. So it's best if you come prepared so you don't damage anything. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. This unit weighs, depending on each vehicle, anywhere from 1,000 to 1,200 pounds. And width-wise, they generally don't fit inside of U-Haul box trucks. They fit best on car trailers, flat trailers with nice wide dimensions on the inside. If you have any questions, please ask me before you drive here. We generally don't like to load on the back of pickup trucks. As you can see, the width-wise, it just doesn't fit. So we have to stack skids, and then you've got a loose load, and it rocks back and forth, and things get damaged. So again, transportation is key. Feel free to give me an email or a phone call. I'll be glad to take a measurement for you so we can get you set up with the right unit. 800-222-2528. I'm Jared at extension 112.